Mm-hmm. 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 Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip, and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but
Hi everyone, welcome to today's vlog. I'm taking you behind the scenes of sewing for my small business, where every stitch, every order, and every late night idea comes to life. From cutting fabric to packing your handmade pieces, this is the real unfiltered work that goes into running a tiny creative brand. So come and spend the day with me in the studio. Lol. Back then, when my house was the studio, because now we have upgraded, thankful to your support. So please subscribe when you watch, and let's sprinkle a little Xmas spirit in every stitch. Okay.